Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to replace your front suspension on Smart Car 451 series, so 2007 and on. So remove the wheel, take it off, remove the sway bar end links, so this is free, so the sway bar is free. Here you have this thing, this holds the sway bar in place, and here goes the 18mm bolt. Here you see also torque screw and 18mm bolt, and just take it out, hit on the hub so it gets out, and now you have one more. I hope you can see it. Here it is, 18mm bolt. Also undo it, and then let's do the next thing. As you can see, you have to remove this bolt as well, and then you will be able to move this center rod and just take it out. Then you can remove the suspension arm altogether out. You see, this Smart was in a crash. You have to replace all the bushings, ball joint and everything, and this rod too.